One of the biggest mistakes you could make when building a brand new PC for the first time is buying the monitor before you even start your PC. You have to know the performance of your graphics card and your CPU before you decide which monitor to buy. I made this same mistake because I bought a 4K monitor thinking that I don't need like a crazy graphics card to run 4K. Boy, I was wrong. Back in 2020, I built my first PC. I got my 4K monitor. I had a okay CPU. It was a 3800X, but my graphics card was a 3060 because that was the only GPU I could get at the time because in 2020, GPUs were crazy. In my head, I wanted a 3080 because I think that would actually work for 4K gaming in 2020. Honestly, a 3060 would have been good for 1440p gaming and definitely 1080p gaming. Now, since then, I've upgraded to a 4070 Ti and a 5900X, so I'm pretty good. Make sure you know what resolution you're going to be playing in before you even build your PC.